Full disclaimer, I'm going to ramble on about this situation, so if you don't want to watch the entire video, long story short, all I need to say to you is do not buy the Charge 4 if you don't mind losing $150 in the blink of an eye. Otherwise, you can listen to my entire thought process and my personal experience with the Fitbit company and the Charge 4. So here we go. So I'm a first-time buyer and I was in the market for a fitness tracker. I knew I'd have a lot of options to choose from. So my requirements in a device was that it needed to have a slim and sleek product design. I'm not interested in something heavy duty with design or software like an Apple Watch. It can easily track my workouts with heart rate and GPS. I can record my sleep patterns at night, and it has to be capable of analyzing in-depth data and give recommendations about my health and workouts. So with all of my research, I came to the conclusion that I would give a test run to the Fitbit Charge 4 and the Whoop fitness tracker. Both offer 30-day trials, which I think is great. I decided to go with the Charge 4 first because it had a screen on it, which I didn't really think I'd use at first, but after about 2 weeks of using it, I really loved it. Everything about the Charge 4 is awesome, to be honest. The slim, sleek design, the tracking my workouts with a few taps, and the convenience of auto-recognizing workouts, which worked really great for me. Being able to set up an interval timer for my workouts is a huge feature which I had no idea was possible until I started using it. Normally I would use an interval timer through an app on my iPhone, but one of the main reasons I wanted to get a fitness tracker is to eliminate the bulkiness of my phone and being attached to all the various fitness apps. The timers within the Charge 4 are also a great feature and helps me focus on specific training. The vibration feedback during a workout is a great motivator, and it will zap you when you're in a specific heart rate zone, which helps keep you on track. For me, it's like having a personal trainer right next to you, pushing you along your entire workout. All great features that need a screen on the device to access, which made the Whoop irrelevant at this point. Sorry, Whoop. So I made a decision that I would now need a screen on any future fitness tracker. After a few weeks of using my Charge 4, you can start seeing what all this data really means within the Fitbit app and how you can start adjusting your health through the app, which is very easy to understand. The Fitbit app on your phone also offers health, workout, and food recommendations, which I found very insightful even after being a health nut for many years. The battery life does not last long while you use GPS, so my solution was to place the device on a charger whenever I hopped in the shower. No big deal, in my opinion. Syncing the Charge 4 to the phone is very quick, and if you want to do a deep dive into the health data, it's definitely possible. I would also like to note how lightweight the device is on my wrist, and it never got in the way. Then we have the various wristbands that they offer, which are interchangeable with a few clicks and in my opinion are really cool looking. They do offer cloth and sporty options for different occasions. Now we also get into why I think the Charge 4 is completely flawed. It's because of the wristband. My wristband broke within 2 weeks of use. I was running, swimming, biking, playing sports, strength training, and it completely snapped. This is the Charge 4, correct? So you'd think it would have a durable wristband after the 4th edition. If you take a closer look at how the wristband is attached, it's just plastic buttons. What I think would happen with mine is I got a buildup of sand and salt water into the push lock mechanism, causing it to stick from swimming in the ocean. And this happened even after washing my device after every swim. Now, if the button is stuck and the wristband can't fully lock, it can fall off very easily. Now my tracker can go bye-bye in the ocean and it'd be my fault. There goes $150 down the drain because of poor product design. Since the button lock mechanism was getting jammed, it would start to pop off easily in everyday situations, like when I'd fall asleep or while doing push-ups. I could not trust the wristband in the ocean anymore because the amount of force my arms hitting into the water could cause it to pop off my wrist, which actually happened. If I'm having these issues within 2 weeks from purchase, what is going to happen in the next few months or even the year? My next step was to reach out to Fitbit customer service, which, wait, can you guess what happened? They weren't helpful at all. I emailed them and it took them about a week to finally decide to send me a new Fitbit. After I was annoyed about the long wait time, robotic answers in email, and customer service saying that this is a new issue that they've never heard about, wristbands breaking, that's completely a lie. Just Google it and you can see the amount of customers complaining. I decided to finally give customer service a direct call because of the lack of response, and I was told by email to send my charge 4 back first. Why would I need to send my device back to you guys first and be without it for 1 to 2 weeks? The back and forth answer is that this is their policy. So my question to them right now is, does Fitbit care more about creating repeat customers to build a strong brand, or sell poor quality products that can be easily replaced every year? I think Fitbit's marketing and sales team really need to take that into consideration for a price point that is not disposable. The whole idea of the tracker is to have it on you at all times, and now I need to be without it for a period of time because of your faulty product design. So the questions I have to think to myself are, once they send me a new charge 4, it breaks again and I'm out of warranty, what do I do? Why not just create a quality product or provide great customer service that will satisfy repeat customers? And now my question to you as a viewer, are you willing to invest $150 into a company you have zero confidence in? And now for the people out there who have been researching fitness trackers like myself, what tracker should I try next? I had a friend recommend Garmin for a next test run, but I'd love to hear what other companies you've had good experiences with and fits the criteria I'm looking for. Hope you enjoyed my review. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment below.